Okay. Hello everyone. You are with me, Tisha, and now I'm going to teach you how to solve mathematics problems. Alright. Here. Okay. If you follow the mathematics problem that talk about the plane. Yep. The plane is traveling between two cities. Which has distance 990 miles. The speed of the plane is 300 miles per hour. It took 3 hours to travel between the two cities. But what they want you to find, they want you to find how fast what the wind blowing. So first you have to know the distance. This one, let me tell you something. You should know this formula. Distance equals speed multiplied with time. Or distance equals speed or velocity. Speed multiplied with time. I'm going to teach you how to analyze the problems. Let's go. Number one, the distance is 990 miles. You should know that this one is distance. Yup, that means S. And speed of the plane is 300 miles per hour. Well, I give that V, but because it's V of the plane, I say VP. If I say VW, that means speed of the wind. The one that we want to find out is here. And it took 3 hours. That means you know this one is time. What you want to find is how fast what the wind blowing. You want to find speed of the wind or VW. Alright. Try to take a look next step. Don't forget to write down when you go with me. Alright. Let me show you something interesting. Okay. New one. Make it bigger for you so you can see it clearly. Well, I suggest you try to write it like a picture or model so you have it in your mind. Alright, let's see. I'm going to draw you picture first. Well, I know that they travel between city to city. I could give it you could give the name city A, city B, or well, I could give the name city A and city B. Or you could say Melbourne, Sydney, Melbourne, Tasmania, or whatever, up to you. But you need to understand the concept. Here is the plane. Okay, let me draw the plane. Hope it looks like a plane. Okay, the plane travel from A to B is travel this way, but you have to remember that they not only the speed of the plane, they still have the wind here as well that support the plane to go faster. Well, what else have we know? From the question, they tell you that the distance is 990 miles. Yep. Do you remember that one? So you know S equal 990 miles. And you know that VP, like the speed of the plane, is that what I think they tell you 300, yeah, 300 miles per hour. Next one, what else? What next? Give you a hint. What about the wind? So, VW or speed of the wind, that's what we want to find out. Okay, let's see from the picture. Now you know VP. You want to find VW, speed of the wind. Okay. Next one, let's see. You remember the formula I tell you? Distance equals speed or velocity multiplied with time. That one is basic knowledge that you should know. So But I would like to make it properly and easy when I solve the equation. So I just switch it. I say TV equal S. You know that is the same thing, just switch it. So that means don't forget that one. Distance. Whoops. Equal VV is velocity or speed. Multiply with time. Oh, one thing that I won't forget, they said that it's travel in 3 hours. All of this one, that what you know, and you're going to use all of the information that they give in the question. Let me show you the question again. You remember this one? Distance, speed of the plane, times. You're going to use all of the information to solve this problem. Okay, let's go next. What is T? We know that. One thing that I need to tell you, right now the speed of the speed, not only speed from plane, but it is speed from plane plus speed from wind. So your V equal VP plus VW. Yeah? Right. Now you know that T is 3 hours. I show you something. I'm going to put the unit here. And you will surprise that when we calculate, if the G is correct, the unit will be correct as well. For example, if you get speed, the unit of speed have to be mile per hour. Okay, multiply with. Now you know that V comes from VP, speed of plane, plus speed of wind. VP speed of plane is 300. I put 300 here. 300 plus speed of wind. That's what we want to find. And it equals our distance 990 miles. Yeah, they told you from the question. Well, from velocity, we want to find distance, the unit is mile. What next I'm do? I'm going to multiply 3 up in here in the bracket. Like this. I show you again one more time. Multiply 3 here. Multiply 3 with 300 and multiply 3 with VW. So I'm going to get 3 multiplied 300 is 900. 3 multiplied VW is 3 VW and it's equal 990. Now I'm going to solve the equation. Well, 3 VW equal, you put 900 to another side of the equation. From positive turn to be negative. Negative 900, like this. Negative 900. So 3VW equal 990 minus 900 is 90. VW equal 90. But don't forget, these ones have the distance, the unit is mile. 3 is 3 hours. So when I move 3 hours here, 90 mile divided with 3 hour. Hour is still here. Whoop. Oh yeah, I think you can answer now. 3 divided with 9 is 330. So your answer is 30. But you still have the unit mile per hour. Let's see, your unit is correct and your answer is correct too. Now you try to write it in the sentence. Then once you find come back to the question, what they want you to find again. They want you to find how fast was the wind blow. So you have to answer the wind was blowing. Okay, like this one. I'm going to write you the beautiful answer. The wind was blowing. 30 miles per hour, and this one is your answer. Whoops. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Yes, finally we make it. Alright, see the concept again. First, you try to analyze the question like this. Okay, try to analyze. Oh, you have to find the connection between the formula and all of the information. Find what they want, what they asked you. Like, okay, how far was the wind blowing? Oh, VW, distance S. What is speed of the plane? VP. Oh, the time is T. Try to draw the picture, make it like a model. Come back to the formula. Substitute every figure that you know and try to find the answer, write the answer properly. And that's it. Now we finish this question. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any question, you can leave the comment and ask me. Okay, thank you. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye.